for men who they beat women. It is wrong, it is not normal, it is insane, it is inhuman, it is it's not just nice. No man should ever hit a woman. If the man here is a big woman, stand up, go outside. It's not nice. If you're here and you're a woman and they beat your husband, go outside. This beat is not only man, they beat woman. Woman here, they beat their husband. Well, Madam Ala. No, because men, even women they beat us. And it's sad. They beat us. Sorry, women they beat them. Or I just a woman beat me, I die with it. Now it's painful. Yeah, because all the time you hear man beat woman, man beat woman. Women, when I words, when they go from our mouth, feel make man enter with Jesus. So at times, hold your mouth. But I investigate. Anyway, for my show, I find joke with small joke with us for small joke. I say person just not running. Small joke. It's how they pushing everywhere. Small, you say running. Who they go beat? Don't bother. You are funny, you are funny. You leave it there. You are right. So small joke, first one. So I beg, this is what I crack now. I go talk to him. I go call the name of myself. Once I crack, this is the name person. You know what I'm talking about? So that when the beat will come to my name. Oh yes, the best people are to leave for one side. No. Now it's painful. If you investigate all the men, what I want the women for you where the husband is, check their husband get financial ability, societal ability over the women. Two of us. First person told Bonnie, she said, hey, I know say. I know say. Don't say her husband beat her. Two of us. I lie in the internet. So that when they go beat, I don't talk. Internet talk. And you notice, what goes on at Shama, get money, down, in feet, bitter. According to her, not me. Second person wasted them bitter. Who are they? Neshaide. Larry Gentry. Don't get old school money they come. That guy named they hint and pass miss. So if you beat, let's say in bitter. I know say necessary in the good. The third person was say them bitter. Going happened before. Hey, my friend. He said, I don't think. Now check. The men get money pass the women. Have you? Mr. Easy. The friend whatever last between. If they born that boy well. If Mr. Easy won't make him career and easily make him rest beat whatever that between full life will not be easy. Good night.
Thank you so much for watching our videos, and importantly you need to subscribe because we drop videos almost every day. Any events going on in Nigeria, Bua TV is always the first to get there, so you just need to subscribe unless you'll be missing out. And if you have a big show coming up, any events, you can call us, we're going to come. If any event just take place or you heard something, just go on YouTube, search for Bua TV. You see there, we are always there, we are everywhere. Importantly, don't forget, just subscribe. And how to subscribe is so simple. There's a circle here written Bua TV, click on it, you see a subscribe button, click on the subscribe